Hi guys, welcome to Tech Factory. Today we are going to see a WhatsApp trick. It's nothing but how to see a status without knowing them. It's very simple. First enter into your account, a WhatsApp account. This is my main account. I had two accounts. This is my main account and it named it as Tech, and I had another account during a parallel space. I created another account. This is my another account. It named it as yes. It takes some few minutes to load. Now it's loading. It takes some few minutes. Wait a second, wait a minute. This is my secondary account and it named it as yes. Okay, using my main account I am going to set a status. I'm going to set a status. yeah yeah this is my status. I'm going to set. I'm go The status is loading. Just now it's set it. In the secondary account I'm going to view the status without knowing the main account. This is my secondary account. Using the secondary account I'm going to view a status. The status is recently updated. Using enter into the settings and then account. In the account you need to click privacy, and the privacy you need to turn off the read receipt icon. It's already on off condition. Okay, now you're going to view. I viewed a status of my first account. It's okay. And then you enter into the first account and see whether anyone is watched or not. No one had been watched. No views yet, but I viewed my status in the secondary account, but it is not shown in the screen. This is why we are going to see the status without knowing them. It's very simple. Okay, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Tech Factory. Thank you for watching.